Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are creating a turkey Thanksgiving card. I colored this little turkey while I was watching a movie, and it took quite a long time, so I'm not showing that. So the first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to give it a brown background, which I had this really cute one, but see on the inside, that's just an indentation. The outside part is the actual scissor part. So I put in the next smaller one, and the two together created this wreath frame. And the inside, I'm just gonna save for another project. And then I redid the same bigger one on this yellow, and it's gonna be the background, and I cut a little bit out of the edge so it doesn't show anything. And then I have this scrap of green paper, which I'm gonna use as the grass the turkey is standing on, that I just measured how it's gonna fit underneath the frame, make sure it doesn't stick out, and the turkey is gonna stand on it. Basically, it's gonna be super cute. So I just want this to be on top and making sure nothing hangs out. Okay, here's my cardstock. And then this yellow is the same yellow I used for the background for the turkey. And it's a little bit big, so I'm gonna have to cut it. But then I'm gonna put a third layer on it, which is like white, but it has like little bits of colors in it. So I'm just gonna measure the edge of this. Like that on this side and this side. And then use this to help me cut it straight on both ends. Okay, it fits nicely. I'm using just regular paper glue, and with my fingers I'm just gonna smudge out the edges to make sure it's flat and there's glue everywhere when I lay this down. Don't want anything flickering off. And then I'm also gonna layer glue on the third layer, which is basically the second layer, but you know what I mean. And the same thing with this one. Very easy, just like that. And then I like to make sure everything is centered right in the middle. Looks good. And now just glue everything on top of each other. There's no small details on it, so I can just use the regular glue. And then next the grass, and then the frame. I'm trying to make these card videos shorter. I was actually doing talking during making this card, and I edited the video and it came out to like 60 minutes. I personally do not want to watch a card that is 16 minutes long, so I decided to just do a voiceover like this to make it a lot shorter. I prefer shorter videos, so I think other people feel the same way. All right, so all this is done, and then now I'm gonna use my special art glitter glue for the small details, which I have cut out different designs of leaves in fall colors, and I'm gonna use this as a wreath basically. I'm not gluing every single tiny detail because I'm gonna arrange some underneath the other ones so I can easily pick up one side and then glue something underneath if that looks better. So these are all different kind of leaves, but around like the same colors or like a little bit different shades of the same color, so it all kind of matches and it gives it a nice fall weather feeling to it. So let's see, this one has tiny details, so I need to use that glue. So this pretty much looks done. I just need something in the middle to hide the little bump we have, so I'm gonna put leaves, and then I have a bunch of poinsettia cut out in advance for Christmas, so I'm gonna put this on the middle. Just glue it on the leaves. Nice, right in the middle, and I'm gonna hide another leaf underneath. I could have done 2 layers of it and make it look like there's a shadow to it, but for today we're just using the same color that we had for one of the leaves. And then I have this sheet of different size rhinestones. I'm gonna use this slightly goldish one that's, I think, perfect for the middle. And that was it for this little card video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really liked making it, and it is almost Thanksgiving. I wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving full of good memories, good food, good company, spend time with your families, and just, enjoy the day off. Yeah, that was it. Happy Thanksgiving and eat lots of pie.